Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel, and ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo yung kanta ni Nery, Higa. So, nasa standard tuning tayo. So, yung gagamitin natin na chords is 5 all the way papuntang ending part. So, let's start. So, yung first chord na gagamitin natin is A major 7. So, kung nahihirapan kayo dito, pwede nyo gamitin tong A major 7. Index finger nasa 3rd string, 1st fret. Middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger is nasa 2nd fret, 2nd string. So, pero kung gusto nyo dito, pwede din. Index finger, 6th fret, 5th fret, 6th string. Ring finger, nasa 4th string, 6th fret. Middle finger, 2nd string, nasa 5th fret. And then ito, nasa 3rd string, 6th fret. Next chord is G sharp 7. So naka-bar chord siya. Bar chord, 4th fret. Middle finger nasa 3rd string, 5th fret, and then ring finger nasa 6th fret, 5th string. So, next chord, baba lang sa G sharp 7, C sharp minor 7. So, yung fret ka pa rin, bar chord mo, 4th fret, and then middle finger nasa 2nd string, 5th fret, ring finger nasa 4th string, 6th fret. Ulitin ko. So, before after mag A major 7, meron akong isang konting adlib. Papuntang G sharp 7. Itong 4th string. So, itong C sharp minor 7, i-hammer mo lang. Fourth chord is B minor 7. Atras ka lang ng dalawang fret sa C sharp minor 7. Last chord is E7 suspended papuntang passing chord to E7. E7 suspended, E7. Try natin. Kailangan mong malaman kung kailan ka kailangan. paulit-ulit lang yung chords, and just make sure alam mo yung takbo ng kanta, familiarize the song para hindi ka mawala pag alam mo na yung chords. So masunod mo lahat yung rhythm. So yun. Siguro kung nahihirapan kayong mag-bar chords, so pwede nyo itong gamitin dito sa third chord and so kung nahihirapan kayo dito sa dito, is pwede nyo gamitin tong C sharp minor 7 and B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, B minor 7, E7 suspended papuntang E7. Ito yung mga basic chords. Siguro para hindi mamanhid yung kamay nyo, siguro especially sa mga girls na nahihirapan mag-bar chord, ito yung way para hindi kayo mahirapan. So yun lang, and hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko. Para updated kayo sa aking channel, just click subscribe button and also follow my Facebook page. Nasa link yung description niya. And if you have some requested songs, you can comment down below. Baka matsambahan ko yung kanta at gawan ko ng tutorial. So, God bless.